Honestly, I talked to both of them.
Yeah.
I don't know who's
I don't know which one's which, and I just.
All right, guys, we're gonna move quick. All right, so number 5. We're rolling.
Is it rolling chance?
It's rolling.
It's rolling.
All right, so Hope, what's wrong with number 5 is you cannot have an I on the bottom of your fraction. So we've got to multiply both sides by the conjugate of the bottom. What's the conjugate? Just flip the sign. So positive 4i there and positive 4i there. All right, you guys who are wanting to work ahead, y'all can go ahead and mark out number 11, number 12, number 14, number 15. None of those are on the test. We're not doing any of those. I need to say that again. 11, 12, 14, and 15. Yep. All right, so hope to finish this one up. All I do is distribute the top. So I got 12i there. I got negative 24i squared there. We good? I see that. All right, so Hope, what does I squared become? Remember, I've got all your i's on the board. So if that's negative 1 times negative 24, then that's 12i plus 24 on the top. Because the negative times the negative makes it positive.
So you did 3 times 4 is 6i.
3 times 4 is 12i. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24i squared. And the I squared makes that a positive 24.
And that's
Now the bottom is going to be easier. It's negative 16i squared. So Hope, what does that I squared do to that negative 16?
16.
Very good. All right, so we're done except for check your 3 numbers. If you can simplify them, you have to simplify them. So in this case, divide them all by 4. I got 3i plus 6 over 4. All right, is number 6 just like that one?
Yep.
Number 6 is just like that one. Do it quickly.
You can have like 3.
Yep, 3 is the most absences you can have and still have a chance to be exempt. You got 3 absences, you got to have a 90 average. 2 absences, 80 average. 1 or fewer absences, 75 average, right? Yeah.
like 2 tardies or something.
I don't worry about tardies. I don't know if anybody else does. I think absences.
Most of my days were when I got sick.
All right, so let's go to number 6. 2 plus 7i over negative 5i. Ariana, what do I times each side by? Positive 5i. Good. Let's see what y'all got. The top is going to be 10i. That's 35i squared, which is a minus 35. Y'all let me know if I mess up.
When you get I squared, like, it's I squared all, you change it all.
Yeah, I see, like right here, I multiplied it. I had 35i squared in my head, but I know the I squared is going to make that a negative 35. So I skipped a step.
I would get so confused by that.
Well, you don't have to skip a step. Do what you need to do. All right, the bottom, Ariana, I know that's going to be negative 25i squared, so I know the I squared is going to make that positive 25. Hope we're good? Now, again, check your 3 numbers. Divide them all by what? Good. So I got 2i minus 7 over 5. All right, I think those are like the easiest ones you could have. All right, 7 and 8 are also pretty easy, but they are a little bit hard. Can we go to 7? All right, number 7. Just erase my board.
We still got to flip this on number 7?
Yep. All right, so Nathan Willis, look at 7. And what am I going to multiply both sides by?
The bottom one.
All right. And remember, Hope, you only flip the sign on the number in front of the I. So it'd be 6 minus 4i. You don't flip the sign on the 6. Only on the number with the I. 6 minus 4i, 6 minus 4i. That's called the conjugate. All right, good? So now, times the top, see what you get. Times the bottom, you have to pull the bottom out, see what you get. Willie, put your phone on my desk.
Are we timing or adding?
FOIL method. So times, and you add like terms. All right, Jason, what you got on the bottom?
Hey.
Allie, what you got on the bottom?
49.
49?
113.
113.
All right, let's check. 7 times 7 is 49. Now look, I know the middle is going to cancel, so again, if you guys want to skip, the plus 56i and the minus 56i. I'm good with that. Then I got minus 64i squared. All right, Willie, what's going to happen? What's that I squared going to do that minus 64? Change it to a positive 64. So 49 plus 64, you guys said is 113?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, so those are basic ones. 1 through 8 are all basic, pretty easy.
So we can't take it from
I don't think anything will go into 113. I could be wrong, but I'm not going to worry about it this afternoon. All right, so 9 we did yesterday. 10's probably the hardest one we're going to have on the test.
It's
So
not
let's
even
go to
that
10.
hard.
All right, number 10, I got 2 plus I root 3, 1 plus I root 3. All right, Jason, what do I times each side by on number 10?
1 minus
All right, good. So, Hannah, remember, you only flip the sign on the I. So, it'll be 1 minus I root 3, 1 minus I root 3. You guys start full in the top. I hope you aren't waiting on me to do all these for you. You're not getting better.
I am, Coach.
All right, Willie, help me here. What's root 5 times root 5, Willie?
The 5.
Good, 5. All right, Willie, look, I got root 5 times negative 2. Can I even times those together?
No.
No, so I just write negative 2i and root 5. I write them together, but I can't times them together.
Ain't it?
That's what I'm doing. I times these two, I got 5. I times these two, I got this. I times these two, that's a plus 2i. And 2i times negative 2i is negative 4i squared, which is a plus 4.
Yep.
All right, so I got 3 root 5 minus 6i. The top stayed the same. We know the middle is going to cancel out on the bottom. Again, if y'all want to skip that, it's fine. 5 plus 4 is 9. Divide them all by 3, and you will be done. Simplify. So I got 1 root 5 minus 2i over 3.
That's what I got, Coach.
All right, that's 13. We're skipping 14. We're skipping 15 for time. Let's do 16. We'll do 16.
Let's go ahead and knock her out.
2 minus I root 3 over 1 plus I root 3. 16 is really a lot like number 10. Now, guys, we're not doing anything on the bottom. None of that's on the test. And we don't have time to do anything on the back either. So, all right, Chance Schumann, look at 16. Tell me what I'm going to multiply each side by.
1 minus I root 3.
All right, this is the one that's the hardest one. Y'all got another chance. See if you can do it. Go. It's the last one we'll do on the front, then we'll take a bathroom. All right, so top's going to be a little bit harder. 2 times 1 is 2. I got a negative 2i root 3. I got a minus 1i root 3. I got a positive I squared and a 3. Now, Willie, what's that I squared going to turn into?
Plus 3.
Hold on, it's already a plus.
Minus 3.
So all that's going to be a minus 3. All right, I got 2 minus 3. I got negative 1
Oh.
minus 3i. Talk to me, Schumann.
I got that.
Wait, what are you
Al, is that right on top?
That's what I got.
All right, so that's what I got on top. Now, the bottom should be a lot easier. The top was tough. Question. This one? Because the I squared is a negative 1, and negative 1 times 3 made it a negative 3. I squared is always going to change the sign.
That's exactly what I got.
All right, so is the bottom 4 or 5? What is it?
4.
I don't know.
Nathan Willis says 4. Let's check. 1. Hey, the middle, I'm not even going to do the middle. Minus I squared 3. So
3
that's
plus 4.
1 plus 3 is 4. All right, bathroom.
I had 4.
All right, so